Hey there, fellow explorers of knowledge. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating realms of the human brain and all things mind-boggling. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects us all: bad habits that can seriously damage our precious brain. Our brains are extraordinary, intricate organs that hold the key to our thoughts, emotions, and memories. But did you know that certain habits can actually harm this incredible powerhouse? Join us as we uncover the top 10 detrimental habits that can impair your brain's health and well-being. So, grab a pen and paper, get ready to take notes, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. 1. Smoking. Smoking is a bad habit that can harm your brain. When you smoke, the chemicals in tobacco can reduce the amount of oxygen that reaches your brain. This lack of oxygen can damage brain cells and affect their ability to function properly. Over time, smoking can lead to cognitive decline, which means you may have trouble remembering things, paying attention, or thinking clearly. Smoking has also been linked to an increased risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So, by quitting smoking, you can protect your brain health and reduce the chances of experiencing these negative effects. It's important to remember that quitting smoking is not always easy, but there are resources available to help you on this journey, such as support groups, medications, and counseling services. 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption is another bad habit that can damage your brain. When you drink alcohol excessively, it can have a toxic effect on your brain cells. It can disrupt the communication between neurons, leading to memory problems and cognitive impairments. Over time, heavy drinking can cause brain damage and increase the risk of developing conditions like dementia. Alcohol also affects the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, which can contribute to mood disorders and mental health problems. It's important to be aware of the recommended limits for alcohol consumption and to drink in moderation to protect your brain health. If you find it difficult to control your alcohol intake, seeking help from a healthcare professional or support group can be beneficial in managing and overcoming this habit. 3. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep is a bad habit that can be detrimental to your brain. When you consistently don't get enough sleep, it can impair your cognitive function and memory. Sleep is crucial for the brain to consolidate and process information, so when you're sleep deprived, it becomes more challenging to focus, learn, and retain information. Additionally, chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Lack of sleep also affects the production of certain hormones that regulate brain function, potentially leading to imbalances that affect mood and cognitive abilities. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, practicing good sleep hygiene, and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help improve the quality and duration of your sleep, ultimately benefiting your brain health. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. Maintaining a sedentary lifestyle is a bad habit that can harm your brain. When you lead a predominantly inactive life, it can negatively impact your brain health. Physical activity promotes better blood flow and oxygenation to the brain, supporting its overall function. In contrast, a sedentary lifestyle can reduce blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain, potentially leading to cognitive decline and impaired memory. Regular exercise has been shown to enhance cognitive abilities, including attention, problem solving, and memory. It also stimulates the release of neurotransmitters and growth factors that promote the growth of new brain cells and improve neural connections. By incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, such as walking, jogging, or engaging in sports, you can positively impact your brain health and overall well-being. 5. Poor diet. Maintaining a poor diet is a bad habit that can damage your brain. Consuming a diet high in saturated fats, refined sugars, and processed foods can have negative effects on brain health. These types of foods can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, a diet lacking in essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, can deprive the brain of the necessary building blocks for optimal function. On the other hand, a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the nutrients needed for proper brain function and can help protect against cognitive decline. By making mindful choices about the foods you consume and prioritizing a nutritious diet, you can support your brain health and overall well-being. 6. Chronic stress. Chronic stress is a bad habit that can have detrimental effects on your brain. When you experience prolonged periods of stress, it can disrupt the normal functioning of your brain and impact your cognitive abilities. Stress triggers the release of stress hormones, such as cortisol, which in excess can damage and shrink certain areas of the brain, particularly those involved in memory and learning. Chronic stress can also impair the formation of new neural connections and reduce the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood and cognition. Over time, this can lead to difficulties with concentration, memory problems, and an increased risk of developing mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. It's important to find healthy ways to manage and cope with stress, such as practicing relaxation techniques, engaging in physical exercise, seeking social support, and incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. Taking steps to reduce chronic stress can help protect your brain health and improve overall well-being. 7. Not staying mentally active. Not staying mentally active is a bad habit that can damage your brain. When you don't engage in mentally stimulating activities, such as reading, solving puzzles, or learning new skills, it can lead to cognitive decline and a decline in brain function. The brain is like a muscle, and if you don't exercise it, it can weaken over time. Mental stimulation is crucial for maintaining cognitive abilities, memory, and overall brain health. By challenging your brain with new and complex tasks, you can promote the growth of new neural connections and improve cognitive function. Conversely, a lack of mental activity can contribute to cognitive decline and increase the risk of developing conditions like dementia. To keep your brain active and healthy, it's important to incorporate activities that challenge your thinking, such as reading books, solving puzzles, playing strategy games, or learning new hobbies or skills. By making mental stimulation a regular part of your routine, you can support your brain health and enhance cognitive abilities. 8. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast is a bad habit that can have negative effects on your brain. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day because it provides fuel and nutrients that your brain needs to function optimally. When you skip breakfast, you miss out on essential nutrients, including carbohydrates for energy and vitamins and minerals that support brain health. This can lead to decreased concentration, reduced cognitive performance, and difficulty focusing throughout the day. Additionally, skipping breakfast can cause low blood sugar levels, which can further impair brain function and lead to feelings of fatigue and irritability. To support your brain health, it's important to prioritize a nutritious breakfast that includes a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This can help provide sustained energy and improve cognitive performance throughout the day. 9. Excessive screen time. Excessive screen time is a bad habit that can harm your brain. Spending prolonged periods in front of screens, such as computers, smartphones, or televisions, can have detrimental effects on cognitive function and mental well-being. Extended screen time can lead to decreased attention span, reduced concentration, and difficulties with memory and information processing. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt the sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and obtain restful sleep, which is crucial for brain health. Additionally, excessive screen time often leads to a sedentary lifestyle, which can negatively impact brain function and overall physical health. It's important to establish healthy screen time habits by setting limits, taking regular breaks, and engaging in activities that involve physical movement, social interactions, and mental stimulation. Balancing screen time with other beneficial activities can help preserve brain health and promote overall well-being. 10. Neglecting social interactions. Neglecting social interactions is a bad habit that can damage your brain. Human beings are social creatures, and maintaining social connections is important for our overall well-being, including brain health. When you consistently isolate yourself or avoid meaningful social interactions, it can lead to feelings of loneliness, depression, and increased stress levels. These negative emotional states can have a detrimental impact on the brain. Social interactions and relationships stimulate the brain, promote the release of feel-good hormones, and help maintain cognitive function. Engaging in conversations, participating in group activities, and fostering meaningful relationships can enhance brain health by stimulating neural pathways and improving memory and cognitive abilities. It's important to prioritize social connections, whether with friends, family, or community groups, to support your brain health and overall happiness. And that wraps up our exploration into the 10 bad habits that can damage your brain. We hope you found this video not only informative but also thought-provoking. Remember, our brains are invaluable assets, and it's essential to prioritize their health and longevity. By identifying and addressing these harmful habits, we can take significant steps towards nurturing our brain's well-being and enhancing our overall quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, because spreading awareness about brain health is a collective effort. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content like this. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep seeking knowledge, staying curious, and taking care of your incredible brain.